Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are diving into incremental backups, a critical component for any efficient data protection strategy. We will break down what incremental backups are, how they work, and why they can save you both time and storage. So first, what is incremental backups? Incremental backups captures only the data that has been changed since the last backup, whether the last backup was a full backup or another incremental backup. And instead of recopying everything, incremental backups focuses on what's different, significantly reducing storage usage and backup time. Okay, let's talk about the key benefits of this approach. Benefits. First thing, we have storage efficiency because each incremental backup is small because it only includes changes made since the last backup. Number two, faster backup times. Less data to copy means backups can be done more frequently without a huge performance hit. Number three, reduced impact on systems. Incremental backups put less load on your production servers, especially during peak operations. These benefits make incremental backups a top choice for systems where downtime is costly and storage can be expensive or limited. Okay, let's try to understand how the backups work and let's go back to this example. In Monday, we have full backup. Okay, in Tuesday, we have incremental backup since Monday, as you can see here. On Wednesday, we have incremental backup since Tuesday. And Thursday, we have incremental backup since Wednesday, and so on and so forth. So, right now, you take a full backup on Monday. On Tuesday, you run an incremental backup that only includes Tuesday changes. On Wednesday, you back up only the changes from Tuesday to Wednesday, and so forth. Each incremental backup depends on the previous backup, so be sure to keep these backups organized to avoid any confusion. Okay, let's talk about the restore process. When you restore from incremental backups, you generally need the last full backup. Number two, you need all incrementals up to the point in time you want to recover. Because incremental backups capture details or deltas, you apply each day's changes in sequence until you reach the desired restore point. This is more complex than restoring from a single full backup, but trade-off it's a trade-off for faster and smaller backups. Okay, since we talked about the trade-offs, let's try to understand what are the trade-offs of the what are the trade-offs of the incremental backups. The trade-offs are two things. First, we have longer restore time, like you need to apply each incremental in order. There is higher dependency on each backup file, like if one is corrupt, you lose continuity. Also, it's had these two trade-offs, and the pros of the incremental backups is the efficient storage, faster backup, and the lower server load. Incremental backups shines in day-to-day usage, but restoring can be slower because you have to chain multiple backups together. Also, if any incremental file is missed or corrupted, it breaks the chain. Okay, we need to talk about that combining. the full backup with the incremental backup and the differential backup. A common practice is to do a full backup once a week, like let's say on Sunday, then incremental backups Monday through Saturday. Some teams also mix in differential backups to shorten the restore chain. Ultimately, it's about finding a balance between backup time, storage constraints, and restore complexity. Okay, let's talk right now about best practices. Number one, we need to schedule regular fullbacks. Like, don't rely extensively on incrementals for too long to avoid very long restore chains. Number two, you need to verify and test restores. Like, periodically test your entire restore process, including the incremental chain, to ensure to ensure integrity. Number three, use automation and monitoring, like automate incremental backups and monitor for failures or storage issues. Number four, offsite or cloud storage, like store copies in a secondary location to protect against local disasters. Okay, let's wrap everything up. Incremental backups strike a powerful balance between storage efficiency and backup speed, making them a critical part of modern data protection strategies. Remember, always pair them with regular full backups. Keep an eye on your restore chain and test your backups before disaster strike. That's it for today's video, and see you in future videos.